Introducing the Stelmar Instruments LASIK Kit, 12 pieces, an essential surgical set designed for ophthalmic professionals performing LASIK procedures. Burrado Flap Protector, for retracting and protecting nasally hinged corneal flaps. Manus Burrado Flap Protector, 45-degree angled blades for protecting superiorly hinged corneal flaps. LASIK Flap Lifter, specifically designed for smooth and precise flap lifting during LASIK. Fukasaku LASIK Spatula, 0.6 mm tip, overall length 12.5 centimeters. Katzen LASIK Flap Unzipper, facilitates precise and efficient unzipping of corneal flaps. Aspiration Speculum, equipped with ports for fluid removal. Blade size 15 millimeters. This meticulously curated kit includes 12 high-quality stainless steel instruments, each designed to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of LASIK surgery. Manufactured from premium-grade stainless steel, these instruments offer durability, resistance to corrosion, and ease of sterilization, ensuring long-term reliability and safety for every patient. Elevate your LASIK procedures with Stelmar Instruments. Order now for unmatched quality and precision in every surgery.